Screws are usually loosely placed in the holes when the goods are received, to prevent the screws from getting lost. Upon receiving the screen, open it to find these parts. First, unscrew the screws on the top. Then pick up the stand and align it with the hole in the center of the screen. Here, explain the use of this bracket. It can adjust the angle of the screen. Tighten the screws on both sides after adjusting. If it's difficult to operate with hands, pliers and other tools can be used to operate. The support of this cylindrical shape is a fixed bracket and adjusts the height. Attach the bracket to the corresponding position on the back of the screen using screws. When screwing here, don't tighten it too much at first. Leave a small gap between the bracket face and the screen back panel. Then insert the circular plug into the hole in the body. Tighten it. Then insert the bracket. Tighten. Observe whether the screen's horizontal is in a straight line. If it's crooked, adjust it. After it's been adjusted, tighten the next 4 screws. Finally, connect the wiring. Align the cable interface with the slot. Tighten the fixing pins on both sides. The case is completed as a whole.